Let's talk about the Invisalign case. I have a sticker on the back with my son's name that I've covered, as he uses this every day in his lunch at school. We like how thin it is. It's much thinner than most retainer cases, so it fits cleanly in any small space we need to put it, and it's just very slim lines. Let's open it up. Super simple inside, nice and clean. I love that it has a magnet as it snaps closed, and it's easy to open. And it's really nice that it just stays open when you have it open, so you can just leave things in it and leave it open. There's not too much to say about it, as it is just a case, but it is the best case we've used. These little lines here, you'd think they could get a little dirty, but they don't. It stays very clean, and it's very easy to wash. Just simple soap and water, clean it up, and let it sit open, and it will dry up. And that's it, the Invisalign case.